everybody, welcome back. I am super excited because today I will be putting these in containers. I will show you step by step how you can successfully grow a lot of peppers in containers. So let's go. So these are my pepper plants, transplants. I bought them from Home Depot. They are bunny plants. I have 4 different varieties, and guys, I'm super proud of myself because I bought only 8 plants. I am known for overplanting peppers because I just love growing peppers. I got jalapeno peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers. Jalapeno peppers are hot, but not as hot as the other kinds, which I'm going to show you. I bought 2 bell peppers. These 2 are bell peppers, and then this one here is habanero peppers. So I bought just 2 habaneros this time. Usually I'll cultivate like a gazillion of them. And then I also bought ghost peppers. Ghost peppers are like super hot. These are fabric containers, so it's extremely lightweight. It is portable. As you can see, it has handles, so I can easily move my container around. I have already filled my fabric bags here with soil. This is potting mix soil. Again, you can buy it from the store or you can make it yourself. I made mine myself so I can add some secret ingredients to it so my peppers really grow big and they produce a lot. Again, I'm going to share with you what that secret ingredient is. So what I'm going to do now is water in. The secret ingredient that I always add to the soil when planting my peppers, Epsom salt. I always add Epsom salt to my peppers. It will tell you the instructions how much to add, but I would add about 2 to 3 tablespoons, like it says here, per hole before planting. So before putting my peppers in the earth, in the ground, or in my containers, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of my Epsom salt. Try it and then you can thank me later. I'm putting holes, making holes here. Let's remove some soil. These are the holes that I made, enough to accommodate my pepper plant. But first I will add the Epsom salt. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is my Epsom salt here. And this is 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons in the hole. And then I'll mix it in. So Epsom salt corrects yellowing, and pepper plants just happen to really like Epsom salt. Apologize for that shadow there. Those are little things you do to ensure that you get your peppers do well, your plants do well. Now it's time to plant our peppers. Our container soil is ready. Nutrients, minerals, everything is in there. And I will show you how to get the peppers out of here in a way that will maintain the integrity of the plant, so you have maximum success. And please save the sticker. So that's our jalapeno right over here. I'll show you how to do this. Watch. This is my plant. I'm gonna open my fingers like this. You have to do it this way. Right here. Put it like that. Okay. Hold it firmly. Flip it. Boom. Okay. Flip it and then wiggle it around. Just press. Make sure you loosen things. We want to get this out. See? Pull it out. See how nice it stays intact. Then now we're just going to put it in the hole here. There you go. And then put our soil around it. And that's our jalapeno peppers in the ground ready. Let's see if Nathan can do it right. You saw what I did, right? Okay, put the tag so that you can see it, so somebody can see it. Insert it in the ground. Push it down, boy. So those are ghost peppers. Put your fingers in between. There you go. Oh, careful. Don't. We don't want to break it. Push the soil around. All the way around to cover it. All the way around. Look at this one and make it look like this. Look at this one and make it look like this. More soil to cover the base. No, cover the base of the plant, not away. Put it towards the plant. Push it down a little. More soil from the edge to the middle. You want to cover the base. It's not that hard. You just grew something.
Cool.
Huh?
Cool.
Perfect. Thank you, Nathan. You can go and wash your hands.